Hi everyone, my name is Simon and I specialize in creating custom AI driven solutions that help you to unlock the real potential of large language models such as ChatGPT. And for customized GPTs, I am using ChatGPT 4. So let's take a look. My journey on Fiverr has been fueled by a passion of innovation and success of my clients. Whether you need engaging content, custom chatbots, customer service responses. So let's take a look to my Fiverr gig. And it's not about to deliver my services, it's about to providing a solution. So let's start our collaboration today.